In today's busy life, we believe every household needs a domestic helper for tasks like cleaning, cooking, and laundry. Additionally, the demand for elderly care and childcare is increasing as most relatives are busy. This is why Elon Musk chose to produce the Tesla Bot, a humanoid robot that is currently the most advanced in the world. If the promise is fulfilled, a significant portion of the over 120 million households in the US may consider purchasing the $30,000 Tesla robot. Similarly, most households in Europe, Japan, Canada, and other high-income countries are likely to have a similar response. That's why Elon Musk is confident that Optimus will be present everywhere, among the 8 billion people in the world. At a price of $20,000, every family could own an Optimus, while it could generate profit very quickly through the tasks it performs. So, why is the Tesla Bot a money machine? When will Tesla start selling it? Welcome to evtech. Elon Musk is currently the richest person in the world, with a net worth of nearly $425 billion. To achieve such an enormous net worth, Tesla is the company that has brought in the most profit. However, when it comes to Tesla, it's clear that every time Elon Musk announces plans for a new product, the majority are skeptical and believe he tends to exaggerate. Yeah, but in the end, you can see that everything Elon Musk says eventually appears and succeeds in ways that are hard to believe. Elon Musk has boldly declared that Optimus will be the biggest product the company has ever created, surpassing even electric cars in impact and revenue. With the ability to perform thousands of tasks, Optimus is not just an advanced piece of technology, but also a profit-generating machine that helps individuals and businesses save labor costs while providing massive value. Optimus is not just a smart robot. It is designed to replace humans in repetitive, tedious, or dangerous tasks. This is particularly important in fields such as manufacturing, services, or even in personal life. The profit that Optimus generates comes from its ability to work tirelessly, save labor costs, and create high economic value. A typical example is that compared to the average salary of a worker in the US, which is around $35,000 per year, Optimus can replace 2 to 3 workers without needing rest, helping businesses save at least $15,000 in the first year of use. Particularly with a cost of only around $20,000 to $30,000, users can quickly recover the investment by calculating the value and benefits that Optimus provides. In other words, Optimus will pay for itself. Optimus not only helps businesses save labor costs, but it can also perform many tasks in daily life. Clearly, Optimus is capable of caring for plants, harvesting, checking equipment, or looking after livestock. In the retail industry, it can assist in stocking shelves, cleaning, packing items, and even supporting payments. For households, hiring a domestic helper can cost anywhere from $200 to $500 per month, which is $2,400 to $6,000 per year. Meanwhile, owning an Optimus could help save on this cost and handle tasks like cleaning, laundry, pet care, and even assist children with studying and entertainment. An important factor that helps Optimus operate efficiently is Tesla's advanced 4680 battery technology. With a large capacity and long lifespan, this battery allows Optimus to work continuously for 10 hours before needing a recharge. The design of Optimus's hands also plays a crucial role in improving work efficiency. With 22 degrees of freedom in its hands, Optimus can perform 70% of the tasks that a human does, reducing reliance on manual labor. Elon Musk asserts that in the near future, every household will own at least one Optimus. This robot will not only serve as a tool for work, but also as a companion, similar to characters like C-3PO and R2-D2 in Star Wars. However, unlike the robots in the movies, Optimus will be able to perform thousands of tasks in the real world. Tesla is expected to start selling Optimus by the end of this year, but the initial quantity will be very limited, possibly only a few hundred units, or optimistically, up to 1,000. These robots will likely be delivered primarily to celebrities or large companies. They will promote the Tesla Bot better. In the survey post on our channel titled, "You Will Buy Optimus If It Could," with 4 tasks listed by us, the results show that most people said they would buy Optimus if the robot could clean up, while others supported the idea that Optimus should be able to help the elderly more. Yeah, and by the end of this year, it will be capable of handling all those tasks. cleaning, cooking, taking care of children, assisting the elderly. Yeah, incredible jobs like a real homemaker, with the upcoming Gen 3 version featuring major changes and upgrades. Optimus will be many times smarter than the Gen 2 version, and its movements and operation speed will also be improved, proving that Tesla is truly the only company successfully bringing a humanoid robot to the real world. What if the Tesla bot could handle all household chores while costing only half the price of a Tesla EV? Let's find out if it's truly worth buying. Imagine coming home after a long, stressful day at work and all the housework has been done. Clothes are washed, food is ready on the table, laundry is neatly folded in the closet, and not a speck of dust is left in your home. This is no longer a dream scenario, but a realistic vision from Tesla with the Optimus Gen 3, a humanoid robot designed to handle all the tedious chores humans don't want to do, completing every task with astonishing efficiency. Elon Musk not only calls Optimus Gen 3 the smartest robot in the world, but he also promises it will completely revolutionize the way we live and work. The standout feature of this design is the revolutionary hands of Gen 3, with twice the degrees of freedom compared to the previous version. This doesn't just enhance flexibility, but elevates its ability to perform tasks requiring precision. From catching a ball with absolute accuracy to sorting and folding clothes perfectly, Optimus Gen 3 is proving to be the ultimate home assistant. Moreover, with advanced sensors and improved water resistance, Gen 3 can now take on more tasks, including water-related jobs that Gen 2 struggled with. From cooking and washing dishes to cleaning the yard, everything becomes easier. In a recent demonstration, Optimus proved its ability to navigate slippery slopes without the use of cameras, relying solely on sensors and artificial intelligence. This opens up opportunities for it to operate on various terrains, whether inside the house or on the streets. Clearly, this is a huge advantage, allowing us to command it to go shopping or simply take a stroll with us. Using Tesla's advanced 4680 battery, Optimus Gen 3 can operate continuously for 10 hours without needing to recharge. Furthermore, the robot can automatically recharge itself without any human intervention. Elon Musk has set a goal to produce millions of Optimus robots annually and aims to sell billions of units worldwide. With a projected price range of $20,000 to $30,000, Musk understands that affordability is key to making this robot a popular product. Optimus Gen 3 is not just a household assistant, it opens up a new world of automation. From serving in restaurants and packing goods at supermarkets to working in factories, it promises to become an indispensable part of modern life. This year, Tesla plans to produce anywhere from 1,000 to about 10,000 units. The day when every household owns at least one Optimus is not far off. A robot that not only does household chores, but also becomes an intelligent, caring, and reliable companion. That future is being shaped right now, with Optimus Gen 3 leading the way. Are you ready to step into the new era with Optimus? The Cybercab looks like a mini Cybertruck with several elements inspired by the iconic pickup. The whole vehicle is covered in sleek, golden color, and even the wheel covers are painted in the same shade. Elon Musk confirmed that the Cybercab will be made of stainless steel to maximize durability. Clearly, the front of the Cybercab has a sleeker design than the Cybertruck, with a streamlined light bar that wraps around and can provide an impressive glow in the dark. You can also see the Cybercab has a large windshield, showing it's fully autonomous, with Elon Musk not having to do anything at all. That's because the Cybercab robotaxi has officially been confirmed to have no steering wheel or pedals. The next standout feature is the butterfly wing doors, which give it a unique and luxurious feel, similar to the Model X. These doors open upwards, instead of to the sides, but in a more rugged way. The square-shaped rear, combined with the turn signal lights, also ensures this car won't be mistaken for any other. Overall, the Tesla robotaxi has a compact design, a segment that's gaining a lot of attention. We know not everyone is a fan of the Cybertruck, but the truth is, the Tesla robotaxi looks much better and only resembles the Cybertruck by about 30%. Since it's a passenger vehicle, the interior of the robotaxi is what people are most curious about. And as expected, the Tesla robotaxi only has 2 white seats and a very spacious luggage area. Tesla introduced an even more minimalist interior design compared to the Model 3 and Model Y, featuring a large central touchscreen. However, what really sets the Cybercab's interior apart is the built-in self-cleaning system, which was showcased during the broadcast. Since the Cybercab will be used much more frequently than a regular car, Tesla needed to find a way to maintain it as conveniently as possible. This system is the solution to a common concern with autonomous taxis: how to keep the vehicle clean without the help of a driver. Musk has said that since data shows that most miles driven in the US are 1 or 2 passenger, there's no need to build anything with more than 2 seats, at least in the near future. These cars will be available for purchase for under $30,000, we think $25,000 to $28,000. Musk also said they will cost 20 cents a mile to operate. As expected, the Tesla Robotaxi will have a range of around 200 miles, which is enough for it to be able to do a good job of picking up and dropping off passengers in the area. Recharging the Robotaxis was also one of the highlights of last night's event, as the cars are charged inductively and wirelessly, meaning they can charge up in an impressively fast 15 minutes. They will return to their garage or docking station to charge themselves without needing a plug. The Robotaxi service will not have a driver fee, and the fully autonomous vehicles will rely solely on cameras instead of radar or LiDAR. Notably, the Cybercab will be equipped with Tesla's best AI-5 hardware and will be produced in extremely large quantities. The company also mentioned that customers can call for a Robotaxi whenever needed and use it for as long as they like, whether for a short trip or an entire day. While waiting for the Robotaxi to arrive at the pickup point, passengers can customize a range of features and adjust the temperature inside the vehicle, making it quite convenient. Another highlight is that Tesla also announced the Robovan. The Robovan can carry up to 20 people at once and can be used to transport everything from a baseball team to large amounts of cargo, instead of relying on trucks or passenger vans with transportation costs of just 5 cents or 10 cents per mile. This vehicle appears to have no pedals or steering wheel, just seating. We'll dive deeper into the Tesla van in future episodes, as there are currently more attention-grabbing features to discuss. The Cybercab is set to go into production before 2027, which means it will likely launch in epoch and quarter 2026. However, Musk himself noted that he tends to be optimistic about timelines, often delivering products later than initially estimated. He also mentioned the possibility of allowing Tesla owners to use their vehicles as robotaxis when they're not in use. Within a year or even 6 months, Tesla will outline a plan allowing individual Tesla owners to have their vehicles participate in the Cybercab system. In this case, Tesla would retain 30% of the revenue and give 70% to the vehicle owners. Musk also shared his vision for the near future, where service companies will purchase Cybercabs and operate them similarly to the current Uber platform. Have you ever heard of Elon Musk's tiny house? It's hard to believe that a billionaire with a net worth of over $421 billion once lived in a house worth less than $50,000. We didn't believe it either, but this is the truth.
The first reason Elon bought this casita was revealed to be a place to host guests of Tesla and SpaceX. Whenever guests visit Tesla, we've noticed that Elon usually takes them on a tour of the factory until they leave. Sometimes stopping the conversation within the factory area isn't quiet enough, so inviting guests to the casita makes sense. Elon often works in this space as well. Stepping into the living room, we can confidently say that Elon could invite any distinguished guest, from national prime ministers to even Donald Trump, and they comfortably sit inside sipping coffee because this casita offers a guest area that rivals any home. As soon as you open the door to the house, you're greeted by a wide composite wood floor with a sleek finish, minimalist furniture, floor-to-ceiling glass windows, long windows, and an optimized layout. This is the first impression you get. To the left, as you step inside, there's a spacious living area with an elegant coffee table and sofa. The comfortable sofa can also be used as a pull-out bed to accommodate more guests, and there's even a TV. In a conversation about the house he bought on the Full Send podcast, Elon shared, "I use the Boxable as my guest house, so if a friend comes and stays, they can stay in the Boxable if they want." The living room is designed to be larger than other areas, as Elon prioritizes this space in his workspace while overseeing major projects for both his companies and frequently traveling. Behind the living area is a big bed. The bedroom is cleverly separated by a half wall that also serves as a storage space for clothes and other essentials. Musk also shared about the bedroom, revealing that his casita actually has 3 bedrooms. Before it had just 2, but Elon converted the garage into a 3rd. In videos of the casita, we saw that the sleeping area is always equipped with foldable beds that are comfortable enough for 2 people. The beds can be folded to the wall when not in use to save space and expand the bedroom area for other stuff. These days, most of us like cooking at home rather than eating out, for a variety of reasons. We're not sure if Elon feels that way, but it's clear that his casita has a pretty interesting kitchen. The kitchen in this small home is fully equipped with a sink, fridge, dishwasher, oven, and carefully installed cabinets. This layout makes the space feel bigger than some apartment kitchens. Even more, the area also features a small dining table combined with a kitchen counter and chairs, making it easy to eat at home. Of course, there's also an exhaust system to handle smoke and odors. Next to the kitchen is a bathroom, and at first we thought it might be too small for a full bathroom, but once again we were wrong. Elon's casita has everything you'd find in a standard bathroom. Equipped with a deep shower cabinet, a sink, a mirror, and a toilet, the bathroom door is fitted with sliding doors, adding a perfect touch to the space. You can see that every millimeter is thoughtfully designed to create a comfortable, homey experience without any feeling of cramped space or compromise. The whole inside of Elon's small home is outfitted with LED lights and energy-efficient appliances to significantly reduce electricity bills. From what we know, the $45,000 home comes with solar panels on the roof. These panels generate more energy than needed to power all the household appliances. The home's got a 2-kilowatt solar system supported by Tesla Powerwalls installed on the exterior walls to store energy both night and day. The casita also includes a 100-amp electrical panel and 16 outlets inside, a notable number for such a small place. Additionally, its design allows for a smaller HVAC system, which further enhances energy efficiency while ensuring a comfy living space. We all know Elon is known for unconventional things that no other billionaire would do. Before moving into a tiny house, Musk owned several luxurious mansions. However, around May 2020, he almost sold off all his properties, including the private homes, just to buy a tiny house and set it up near his workplace. These days, many people are choosing to rent homes or apartments, often at high costs, ranging from $1,700 to $2,200 a month. In some areas, that can be even higher, especially in pricey places like New York, San Francisco, or LA. What makes tiny house popular? One of the biggest advantages of Boxable is the design of its homes, which can be folded up for transport at the lowest possible cost and legally driven on highways, allowing the factory to focus production in a single location, then ship the homes anywhere without facing barriers related to cost or legal regs. With this optimized process, Boxable's long-term goal is to achieve production efficiency similar to an automobile manufacturing line, where a car can be made once a minute. They envision a future where one day the Boxable factory could make a home every minute. Not only does Boxable produce the components for its homes quickly, but the fact that Elon's casita has also been completed in just 1 hour, and that's intrigued many customers. It's mind-blowing considering that building a regular home can often take months to finish. The current price for each casita ranges from $45,000 to $60,000. Compared to other casita-style houses on the market, the price is very competitive, especially when you consider how much time and money it takes to build a regular house. Perhaps this is why the waiting list for Boxable's products has reached over 200,000 people. Now, you might think that the ease of building a tiny house like this would lead to more competition for Boxable, but when asked about the risk of having their idea copied, Boxable is quite confident. According to them, very few people truly understand the technology and processes behind their product. This is a major advantage that allows them to maintain their lead in the market for the long term. Thanks for watching our video. If you found the content helpful and want to explore more exciting info about Tesla EVs, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.